Today at work I made $100, but I want that $100 to grow, so I'd like to put it in the bank account. My bank account will give me an 8% interest rate on $100 if I invest it. What this means is they're not going to give me $8 each day. Of course, we know the 8% is 0.08 as a decimal. This 0.08, they're going to give me this off of 100. But the way the interest works is it doesn't just give me 8%. It calculates it over time, looking at what you had the day before and the day before. So we use the equation y equals ab to the x. This equation is used for interest, where y is your total, a is your initial, which is your start value, b is your growth factor, which sometimes we call this a multiplier, and x is the number of time that you have to invest your money. So if I'd like to invest my $100, I would say, well, my total is going to be, I'm starting with 100, so I'll start with 100. I'm growing. I'm getting this 8%, but I'm not only getting the 8%, I'm getting the original 100 that I had to begin with, plus the 8% that I'm going to grow in interest. So altogether, I'm actually growing by 108%, which if I convert that to a decimal, is going to give me 1.08. This 1.08, that's what I'm really growing by. So I'll put that in as my growth factor or my multiplier. And the next will be how many years I want to invest it. Let's say right now I'm just starting college, and I can invest this money for 4 years while I'm in college. I would take that 4 years, put it in for X as my time, and now I can use my magic calculator to calculate what I'm going to get. By order of operations, first I'm going to do 1.08 to the 4th power. And then after that, I'll multiply by 100. And altogether I get $136.05 after my 4 years.